And sweeping trade tariffs are, of course, sending shockwaves through the $40 billion US toy industry. Imports from China, which account for more than $13 billion of the $17 billion in toys brought into the US last year, are now subject to a 145% tariff. What was once a zero-duty category has seen costs more than double in a matter of weeks, leaving companies scrambling to adapt. For toy manufacturers like Duncan Toys, which develops its products in the US but manufactures in China, shipping has come to a standstill.
Things have grinded to a halt. We stopped shipping goods into the U.S. at that tariff rate, and I know that most toy companies in the U.S. Have done the same thing. So it's pretty debilitating right now, and obviously we're exploring all options to work through it.
Retailers are already feeling the effects. Many reports added that tariff surcharges of 15 to 25% since March expected to rise in line with the full 145% tariff.
One of the first impacts that we saw were price increases. Our vendors started increasing the prices as early as March, and so we started receiving tariff surcharges of 15% and 25%. Last week we received a tariff surcharge of 50% on all products from one vendor, and we anticipate receiving some in the range of 125 to 145%.
Now, with most US toy brands being small businesses with limited cash flow, paying these sudden fees on goods already manufactured is, of course, proving devastating. Shipment delays are growing, and some companies are cancelling or even postponing their orders entirely. The timing, of course, could not have been worse. The bulk of holiday inventory is usually produced in the spring, shipped in summer, and then it's stocked by fall. With most toys still overseas and 90% of seasonal stock relying on foreign imports, major retailers like Target and Walmart face a critical supply gap. Industry leaders warn that if the situation is not resolved within the next 2 months, American consumers could see empty shelves and prices double by Christmas.
If something doesn't happen in the next 30 to 45 days, we're looking at a serious impact on the holidays. So you're talking about Christmas shopping and empty shelves at major retailers because U.S. toy companies cannot get product into the U.S.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.